Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States, Chapter 16, Shloka number 4. Hypocrisy, arrogance and self-conceit, anger and also harshness and ignorance belong to one who is born, O Parth, for a demonic state.
Chapter 16, Shloka 4. Dambo darpobimanascha krodah parushyameva cha ajnanancha bijatasya partha sampadam asurim.
Chapter 16, Shloka 4. Here follows a description of the demonic Asuric nature. To know them would be sufficient warning of what traits we must avoid or weed out from our mental composition so that the greater energy may flow out of our bosom. Ostentation, dambha, means pretending to be righteous but living unrighteous ways of life. These men use goodness and purity, religiosity and sincerity to cover their deadly motives and ugly intentions. Arrogance, darpa, endless pride of learning or of wealth or of social status or of family connections gives to an individual a kind of uppishness, and he looks at the world through his self-deluding medium, an imagined importance resulting in arrogance that drives away all inward peace. Anger, krodha. When a self-centered, arrogant hypocrite looks at the world around and finds the world's estimate of him is totally different from his own estimate, he revolts within and hence his wrath, krodha, at everything around him. Such arrogance, self-conceit, wrath and insolence all arise from his own self-delusions. He doesn't know himself. He is ignorant of the scheme of the world around him and consequently blind to the right relationship that he should maintain with the world around him. Such persons are termed here as by Krishna as diabolically fallen, the Asuric. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.